Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn how to fix Eufy Floodlight Camera keeps going offline. Fix 1. Check power supply. Verify power connection. Ensure the camera is securely connected to a functioning power outlet. If the LED indicator is off, it may indicate a power issue. Inspect wiring. Examine the camera's wiring for any signs of damage or loose connections. Fix 2. Assess Wi-Fi connectivity. Signal strength. Confirm that the camera is within range of your Wi-Fi router and receiving a strong signal. Obstacles or distance can weaken the connection. Network stability. Check if other devices can connect to your Wi Fi network without issues. If multiple devices are experiencing connectivity problems, consider restarting your router. Firewall settings. Ensure your router's firewall is not blocking the camera's connection. Adjust settings if necessary to allow the device to communicate properly. Fix 3. Update firmware. Open the Eufy Security app. Ensure your smartphone is connected to the internet. Launch the Eufy Security app. Access camera settings. Navigate to the Devices tab. Locate your floodlight camera in the list. Tap the three dots next to the camera's name. Select the gear wheel icon to enter camera settings. Check for firmware updates. In the settings menu, select General. Tap on About Device. Select Check for firmware update. The app will scan for available updates. Fix 4. Restart or reset the camera. Restart. Power cycle the camera by unplugging it, waiting for about 30 seconds and plugging it back in. Reset if restarting does not help. Reset the camera by pressing and holding the sync button for 10 seconds. Note, this step is not applicable to the Floodlight Cam 1080 pixel model T8420. Fix 5. Re-add the camera to the app. Remove and re-add. In the Eufy Security app, delete the camera from your device list and then re-add it. Ensure you download any important videos before removing the device. Fix 6. Check for interference. Electronic devices. Keep the camera away from other electronic devices that might cause interference, such as microwaves or cordless phones. Fix 7. Contact Eufy support. Professional assistance. If the above steps don't resolve the issue, reach out to Eufy customer support for further assistance. The link will be provided in the description box. When you click on the link, a web page will be appeared on your screen like this, and here when you scroll, then you will find the options to contact support. You can mail, call, and also use the live chat option. To use live chat, you have to click on this icon in the bottom right corner. Provide them with the camera serial number and a detailed description of the problem to facilitate troubleshooting. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share our video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming videos.